Which method, shampoo or steam cleaning, is better for carpet cleaning?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to discuss an age-old debate when it comes to carpet cleaning. Which is better, shampoo or steam cleaning? Let's unravel this thread together and determine the best method for your carpet cleaning needs.
What is shampoo cleaning?
Shampoo cleaning, also known as carpet shampooing, is a method of deep cleaning carpets. This method involves the use of special detergents that are applied directly to the carpet and then agitated with a machine to break down dirt and grime. Once the shampoo has been thoroughly worked into the carpet, it is typically left to dry, after which the residue and dirt are vacuumed up. This method has the advantage of being very thorough. It can be particularly effective at removing stubborn stains and heavily soiled areas. However, the downside is that it can leave a residue if not properly rinsed out, and drying times can be long.
What is steam cleaning?
Steam cleaning, on the other hand, uses hot water under high pressure to penetrate deep into carpet fibers. This process loosens dirt, which is then extracted along with the water by a powerful vacuum. No harsh chemicals are typically used in this process, which can be a significant benefit for those sensitive to such substances. The biggest advantage of steam cleaning is that it's highly effective at removing allergens and bacteria, as the high temperature of the steam can kill most bacteria and dust mites. It also tends to leave less residue than carpet shampooing. However, just like shampooing, steam cleaning also has a long drying time, and if not done correctly, can lead to mold growth due to excessive moisture.
Shampoo versus steam cleaning, which is better?
Now that we understand both methods, it's time to ask the big question: which is better, shampoo or steam cleaning? The answer, as often, depends. If your carpet is heavily stained or soiled, shampoo cleaning may be the better option as it's more aggressive. However, if your primary concern is allergens, bacteria, or chemical sensitivity, then steam cleaning would be your best bet. In the end, both methods have their own merits and demerits. It's important to assess your carpet's condition, your family's health concerns, and your personal preferences before deciding on the best method for you. Whether you choose shampoo or steam cleaning for your carpets, remember, the goal is to have a clean, fresh, and healthy environment in your home. It's recommended to professionally clean your carpets at least once a year, regardless of the method. We hope this video has helped shed some light on the shampoo versus steam cleaning debate. Until next time, stay clean, stay healthy.